Okay, I have my goat meat, beef, and shaki. So I need to spice. Now it's all spiced, and cover for it to boil. I need to chop my okra. Like I said, I'm trying to make egusi soup, ogbono soup, and stew. Okay. The okra is chopped. The stockfish and smoked fish ready. The beef and shaki. I just let it get simmer a while. I want it to be very soft. Okay. So sees Ogbono is. So I had my crayfish. And blended pepper and onion. Yeah, I always like fresh pepper. Simmer, so the egusi cooks. You get. So the crayfish and fresh pepper has been added to the ogbono. Then you allow it to also cook. You need to let it cook, until its drawing properties comes alive. Yeah, so the egusi has cooked, as you can see. I've added palm oil, salt, Maggi, and salt to taste. Okay, so I've added the ugu into the egusi. I usually don't like when the ugu is, so much in the soup. Actually, the soup is ready. You just want to heat up the veg a little bit, say 3 minutes, and we're ready. The ogbono is cooked now. You can see the drawing effect. Okay. I am frying fish for the stew. All right. The stew is a fish. And now the ogbono is cooked. So pour in your okra. You can see the ogbono is already drying. By the time the okra cooks, then you'll have a thicker ogbono. Don't forget, I've already had a pepper, crayfish, the stockfish, and oporoko. You can see all that from the beef. It's nice to cook, cook everything with the beef. Why? So that the seasoning will go inside the meat, so that when you're eating your meat, you still have a tasty meat that you're eating, and not a bland meat that is not well spiced. All right. At this point, you can actually add your palm oil. Yeah. So everything cooks together. Don't forget, because there are vegetables. Yeah, bye guys. Ogbono soup is ready. Yes, I've added the ugu. Okay, it's just to simmer for another 5 minutes, and we're good to go. 3 liters of ogbono, 3 liters of egusi, 3.5 liters of stew for my customer.